big 450. We had some incidents happen this weekend. It was no good, so we're on the dirt bike, the infamous dirt bike. We got Mad Mike, we got Berto, we got Ethan, and we're on our way to the Twisted J ride. So we'll see you when we get there. Just a J ride, good turnout. Ready to rip. Hopefully it's a good turnout. Everybody has pretty good luck. We hope, we hope. Just cruising the scenery of Chicago. Just living it up, hanging out. Got Mad Mike, just hit a sit down scrape. Pretty wicked, but cut to the city. Ah, come on! Yes, sir! That look good! We're in the city, baby. Look at how pretty. We're gonna clutch up right now. Drop it back, get that little swerve. Throttle hand off, okay. Oh, we got the little combos through downtown. It's beautiful here. Dropping it back again. What do you guys think of the dirt bikes? Do you like them, or do you prefer the street bikes? I've had a bunch of fun on the dirt bikes, and I bought a new one this week, so you may see that in the video if I have it long enough to hang on to it, long enough to make a video with it, you know what I mean? This guy is throwing it back. Okay. Dropping it back. Alright. Back to the seat. Foot in the trunk. Alright. Love to see it. Got Twisted hanging out. Little smile. Oh, hit a bump, almost got took out. Bad. About to go to the seat. Riding it out. Enoch. Beautiful city. This stretch of road is particularly good too, so that's pretty cool. Got the soccer field. We gotta slow down, they're moving. I'm moving, they're going slow. I'm going way too fast. Got Ethan clutching up again. Oh, that's Mad Mike. Got Mad Mike getting active, baby. Let's go. Pulling that clutch in. Love to see it. But he's getting silly with it. Alright, alright. Love to see it. Woo! Better view of that city. Look at how pretty. Love it. On the 450. So very grateful to experience this. Clutching up with Mr. Mike. Lock the foot. That did not feel good. Got Berto throwing it back. Love to see it. This is the city, baby. Clutching back up. Love it. Woo! Moving pretty quickly. Got Berto still throwing it back. Love to see it. How's your guys' night going today? This is Saturday and we're just hanging out with all our buddies. All our out-of-town friends. It's the one time of the year. That was killer. That was good. Very good. This is the one time of the year. That's the best thing about stunt riding. All these people from all over. I mean, I'm in Chicago right now. You get to see all your friends you don't get to see often. You get to see them once and twice a year, and like, it's great. Like, got Berto back up. I'm gonna clutch up for this beautiful scenery. Throwing it back. Cannot beat this. Look at it. The Drake, I think that's a hotel. Not too sure, to be honest with you. But this is the city. Very grateful to get to experience this. I think we're moving way too fast. Just chilling. Moving minimal speed now. Got the Ferris wheel over there. That's pretty cool. Make Ethan clutch up. Up, Ethan, up. There we go. We got him convinced. Okay. Okay, buddy. And he's back up again. All right. Good boy. Good boy. Back in the trails. Having a blast still. Thought I'd update you guys. Gonna make a left here. Cross the bridge. Back to the road. Headed to go grab a bite to eat currently. Had to hit that little ramp. You know how we do it. We got people walking, we'll put a show on for them. Hit the fender. Passing through, got all the buildings and stuff. Such a good place. I love it here. The bus. So we did survive the weekend. We went into that earlier, but not without a toll. We went through a lot of stuff this weekend, and they happen. I mean, you know the risk. As soon as you get on your bike and you take off, you know that there's a multitude of things that could go wrong. You know you could wreck, you know you could lose your bike, you know that you could both. But like, nah, it's just a risk we're willing to take, and sometimes you gotta deal with the consequences. Everybody's safe, that's what matters, and can't really ask for much more. So that's all I gotta say about that situation. Going back into the city, just hanging out, posting up. Mad Mike, Ray. You got the Mike brothers right there, you can see them. They convinced me to go out tonight. just hanging out. It's always when you get into small groups with your friends, it's fun. It's good to get along with your buddies and like see them. You don't get to see them very often, so love to see them. Give you guys another wheelie real quick. Got Mad Mike hitting the seat sander. Love to see it. Oh. Still on the shutting it off at every stoplight stuff. I'm gonna put a water pump in this thing soon and then we won't have to worry about it, but you look good. You look so good. You look great. Oh, yes, that one. I do not know where I'm going. Take that other hand off, Mr. Mike. You got it. You got it. Come on. He might not be doing that. He might. Yep. Nope. Almost. Gotta make sure this thing isn't leaking coolant. I don't know how I'm leading the pack again. That's it's a crazy statement. You gotta stand up. I've been riding this dirt bike too long. Yeah, I'm hurt. Hurt bad. Alrighty, got the leader back. Love to see it. We got Patton up front too. It's great to see that guy. He is all around very good rider. He's a very good person. Love being around Patton. That's my boy. Patton, if you're watching this, shout out to you. You're the man. Mike likes the Mexican joint right there. I think that's what he was trying to make known. So loud in this tunnel. Got Berto posted up. He's having fun today. He's had a good weekend. Got Ray Ray. He had to make sure I was filming. Playing sketchy. Had to roll a little stoppy for Mr. Mike. This thing's running hot. I can feel it and I can smell it. Mike is a crazy man. We love Mad Mike. That's my boy. Shout out to all of the Florida guys for taking care of me and Ethan this weekend, including this guy. Had to hit a little teeter-totter. I think that's what you call it. I don't know. That's what it reminds me of. Getting real close to that buzz. That was sick. Got the CRF 450. I'm pretty sure that I've went over this in a previous video. 2020, I put the plastic seat cover, the white grips. It already had the skinnies and everything on it. I did an oil change, but that's just common maintenance. But yeah, it's done pretty good. It's it likes to get hot in packs when you're idling, so I shut it off. But as soon as I put a water pump in, hopefully it will take that away. I'm gonna get one of the high flow water pumps. My buddy Luke has done that in his, I believe, and he has minimalized his problem. So let's hope for that. But I just got a new dirt bike too. It's a all I'm gonna say is it's a 2-stroke, so it's a little bit different. It's a blast to ride. I rode it last night for the hood ride, and it was great. It did great. You got to go through it, do some common maintenance, you know, the whole 9 yards. But hopefully that'll be the new dirt bike. That one's on skinnies already too, so it feels great though. It's very light. This thing's a big girl compared to the other one. I rode this today after riding the 2-stroke yesterday, and it's like, oh wow, like feels like it's double the weight. Obviously it isn't, but just the motor comparison and the weight difference, and it's a lot. But this thing still feels good. Old Reliable still kicking it, doing good. I don't know how to feel about being on a dirt bike, but it's not bad. I mean, just have a sore bottom. This seat is very uncomfortable, especially riding long distance. I rode the 2-stroke for probably 4 or 5 hours last night. Then I've been on this all day today. It's like my behind is not happy with me. So hopefully you get some relax time before Monday. But life's too short to worry about the little things. I'd rather be in pain tomorrow, have a good time tonight with my friends. We got Big E out here. We convinced him to ride. He was ready to go. He had a good weekend. He had a good time, but he was burned out. But luckily we fixed that, and he's in the pack. So we're about to pull up to Maxwell's. You can see it right there. We're gonna get some food, and then I think me and Ethan are gonna roll back and call this weekend an end. So if you guys like this video, a little bit different than my usual debriefing on the motorbikes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Comment on this video right here down the bottom. Tell me what I did wrong or what I did right. Tell me what you guys want to see, because I don't mind doing any of it. So, but it was good to see you guys after a short YouTube break. I will be back soon, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.